What's up, YouTube? I'm in the office just wrapping up a project that I've been working on for a couple months now. I was meaning to do at least one video a week, but this one turned into a rabbit hole. So let's get into it. So the first thing I set out to design was the ball bearing, which here's my design. It's not perfect, but it works pretty well actually. So this is what I did, and I 3D printed it as well. I designed my reel to fit 3 of them, and because it's plastic, the reason why I did 3 is because it's plastic, and I knew the bearings weren't going to be as strong or as smooth, so I figured that having 3 of them would distribute the load mo better. And the second component is this, is the spindle, I guess you would call it. And this was the design I came up with. Very basic. I wanted it to be ported, so it'd be lightweight, and I think it looks pretty good. And it printed fairly easily. It's a long print. It takes about 24 to 30 hours. Depending on your layer height and whatnot, but you know, I mean, it's a large part and there's a lot of detail, so there it is. These are the final pieces that I printed, just 5 components altogether, and these essentially just, probably shouldn't be doing it on my laptop, but whatever. These essentially just snap into place. And then this fits over top of the bearings, and that's it. There's nothing else to it, really. This fits any fishing rod, really. It fits all of mine that I've tried. Yep, simple as that. This is also, actually I forgot to mention, but this is a 2-for-1 special. I actually have some bead pegs that I 3D printed as well. Took me a while to get the design just right and to get the material just right, but I think these will work very well, and we're gonna check it out. It's a nice one too.
You need me to get on that?
I'm gonna just try and drag it over here.
Alright.
I still don't know what it is yet. It's a brown.
Holy cow. Wow. What a beaut.
Yeah.
Jeez Louise.
Bro, I was looking away when my bobber went down, and I turned around and my bobber was gone, so I just set the hook and there it was.
Look at that.
So I ended up catching a really, really nice brown trout actually off of the center pin reel. But the main issue is that the plastic bearings just aren't good enough to really be a true center pin, because they're not supposed to have any resistance whatsoever, so that just the current alone draws out the line. And that's what allows you to have such good floats with center pins. So I ended up making a separate design for inserting metal bearings, which I'm gonna make a separate video for those coming soon. I already have the designs, everything's finished, they're ready to go. I just gotta get some film and we'll be good to go. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This file will be available on Creality Cloud. I'll post a link under the video. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Rod low, just like that.
There it is. Oh. Swing it back over by Logan. There you